Thinking about grabbing a deal from Housec Boutlet.shop? Hold on a second, because what looks like a trendy online store offering massive discounts on bags, earrings, t-shirts, shirts, and more might not be what it seems. At first glance, the site tries to present itself as a budget-friendly fashion destination, but once you look closer, the red flags start piling up quickly. One of the most concerning signs is the use of stolen product images. Many of the photos used on Housec Boutlet appear to be lifted directly from other legitimate websites, which usually indicates the products either don't exist or won't match what's shown. That alone raises serious doubts, but it doesn't stop there. The domain was only registered very recently on March 17, 2025, which means the site is extremely new and has no track record or customer trust built up. A newly created website with deep discounts should always make you cautious. What's worse, when I checked for credibility pages like About Us, Contact, or even a privacy policy, they were completely missing. Any genuine online store will make sure these pages are visible and detailed, because they build consumer confidence and transparency. Housec Boutlet doesn't provide any of that. Add to that the complete lack of a return or refund policy. Yes, there is none mentioned at all, which leaves you fully vulnerable if your order arrives damaged, incorrect, or not at all. And when I tried to find reviews from real customers, there were none to be found. 0 trusted reviews online, no mentions on social platforms, forums, or trusted review sites. That silence is often more telling than any bad review. Now, I'm not saying it's 100% a scam, but based on all these signs, it's clearly not a store you should trust with your money or personal information. If you value your hard-earned cash and want to avoid regret, I strongly suggest staying far away from Housec Boutlet.shop.